So something dramatic just happened in Russia and it's got everybody talking now. Imagine this, late at night the skies near Moscow starts buzzing. Not with planes, not with birds, but with Ukrainian drones. Yes, Kyiv is now bringing the war right to Putin's doorstep. According to Moscow's mayor, Russian air defense team had to scramble into action after spotting 7 drones heading straight for the capital. Well, 2 of them didn't even make it close. They were blasted out of the sky before entering the city, and the others taken down midair with the debris falling in different parts of Moscow region. In the meantime, emergency team rushed to those spots that were affected to make sure that nothing was left burning or damaged. Well, the Kremlin, trying to play really cool, says that their layered defense system is so strong that these particular drones pose only a limited threat. But here's a bigger picture. This isn't just an attack. This is Ukraine sending a loud and clear message. We can reach you, Putin, and remember, Moscow is over 450 kilometers from the nearest Ukrainian border. That's a long way for a drone to travel, right? Russia, of course, didn't sit quietly. Within hours, they launched what they called precision strike on Ukrainian military targets, basically hitting back hard to show that they are still in control. Well, this is the latest in the series of tit-for-tat attacks that are slowly shifting the war away from just the front lines and into the heart of both countries. And here's the kicker. In the past few months, Ukrainian drone attacks deep inside Russian territories have been increasing. All the ports, military airfields, and even Moscow city's financial district, nothing seems off limits anymore. For Putin, whose image is built on projecting strength and security, this is more than just a military challenge. It's political, it's personal, and it's happening right over his own home turf.